if you want to set up the system clone on OnePlus 15R, we need to go to settings. Now in here, find security and privacy, scroll down, and you should be able to find system cloner. Now over here we can tap on get started, enter the screen lock password in order to continue, and then we can tap on next. And now we need to set the password for the system clone. So in my case, I'm gonna set up a password like this. Enter your password twice. There we go. Now the password is set, so we can tap on done. Over here you can also enroll fingerprint for the system clone if you want to. In my case, I'm just gonna skip that. And then we can enter the system clone. There we go. Of course, we need to enter the password for the system clone in order to proceed. And this is how it looks like. So this is like another version of our system, where we can separate things quite easily. You might also see this prompt, set up system clone, and if you tap on go, then you will open these settings where you can, for example, clone apps, import and export data, or go back to the main system, and some other stuff as well. And besides that, if you want to, for example, switch to the main system again, then we have the back to main system option in the app drawer. What you can also do is you can, for example, lock your phone, and then if you go to the lock screen, you can enter the password for the main system. So depending which password you type over here, you will go to a different system. If I enter the main password, then I will open the main system. If I enter the password for the cloned version, then I will go to the cloned system instead. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.